Snaptain K30 first use. In this video, we will show you the unboxing and initial setup process of Snaptain K30 mini camera drone. Unboxing. Here's the Snaptain K30 drone and its accessories. Download and connect app. Download and install Snaptain FPV app. Scan the QR code on the package or download it from your mobile app store. Navigate to the Wi-Fi setting of your mobile phone and search for Snaptain K30 Wi-Fi to connect. Flight preparation. Remove the battery from the drone, then charge it with the USB charging cable provided in the box. After fully charging the drone's battery, securely install it by inserting it into the drone until you hear a click sound. Use the screwdriver to unscrew the battery cover. Insert 3 AAA batteries into the remote and tighten the screw. Press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds to power on the drone and the remote controller until they beeps and indicators blink. The light keeps on once paired successfully. Attach the phone holder and securely place your device inside. Push the detach button on the remote downward while removing the phone holder. How to fly. Place the drone on a flat and level surface without any obstacles. Unlock the drone by simultaneously pushing the right control stick to the lower left at 45 degree and the left control stick to the lower right at 45 degree until 4 propellers start rotating. Then, push the left control stick forward. You can also press and hold the 1-key takeoff button for once to make it ascend. The left control stick is for adjusting the drone's altitude and orientation. The right control stick allows the drone to fly forward, backward, and to left and right. Functions. Throw to go. Place the drone in your palm right side up, then toss it into the air at least 10 centimeters right. The drone will automatically hover in the air. 3D flip. After flying the drone in an obstacle-free area, press the 3D flip button to activate the 360 degrees flip function. Once activated, use the right control stick to perform flips. Push the stick forward, backward, leftward, or rightward to execute a 360 degrees flip in the corresponding direction. Circle fly. If there are no obstacles within a radius of 5 meters around the drone, press and hold the circle fly button for 3s on the remote to make the drone fly in a circular pattern. Light mode switch. Press and hold the light switch button to switch between 6 different light modes. Doodle fly. Tap on the doodle fly icon. Use your finger to draw a desired flight path on the blank area of the screen. The drone will follow the trajectory path. Low power mode. When the battery enters low power mode, the drone's lights flash and beep, and it lands automatically when the battery runs out. Taking photos and videos. Tap the photo icon on the app interface to take photos. Tap the video icon on the app interface to recording videos. Tap the playback icon on the screen to view your footage. Land. Pushing the left control stick backward until 4 propellers stop rotating. You can also press and hold the 1-key landing button for 3s to make it descend and land until the propellers stop rotating. Press the power button for 3 seconds to power off the drone and remote. Store the drone and the remote into the bag. We hope you enjoyed this video and happy flying!